right here, like I was saying, it does have a very, very strong factory smell to it. And this is the large one that I bought out of the 3 that I have. And as you can see, it does have the blue lining in the middle. And this is actually also that type of material as same as the bands, the armbands that I have. Ooh, it smells bad. That type of material is supposed to develop a sweat when you work out. The next piece, I was excited about this one as well. And this one this is actually one of those thigh bands. And how this works is you have to tie this like on each of your thighs. Make sure I'm doing it right now. There's a way you got to do it. Which I'm probably going to have to take it apart to show you guys how to do it. But this actually goes up on your hip part and it goes down to your thighs. And what happens is you would actually, okay, so I see now. So this part goes to your thighs and you would actually taper this around each thigh like this, like so. And I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, that's not how you do it. That is not how you do it. But guess what? I'm going to show you guys when I put it on how you do it. So that way we don't have any confusion, which I am confused about it right now because it does look uber weird. I'm like, this thing's supposed to have the thigh at the bottom. It looks like there's a piece missing to it. So, anyway, I'm not going to spend too much time with this right now. I do know that I have to put it on soon, so when I put it on, I'll see if I can take a picture to show you guys what it looks like, because it's a little confusing looking now, but yeah. So okay, so here's the other band, like the one that I showed you guys prior to that contraption right there. This is the extra large one, I believe. Yes. So it's the same type of band. It's just an extra large. So my thoughts are, once I put on my shirt, like say for instance, if I was going to use this shirt, I just slide it right over, or I can put it directly on my skin, which is more likely what I would do, so that way I can get a better sweat on my skin itself. So that's the extra large. Oh, and when I pulled this out earlier, kind of go through everything prior to showing you guys what I get from Shein and different hauls and stuff. But I was like, what the hell? This is supposed to be a size large, you guys. Look how small this thing is. Now, I do know that it's stretch. It's one of those butt, I call them butt pants, where it kind of lifts your butt up and give your butt a good plumpy plump. But baby, where in the absolute hell would I be going with this? So what I might end up doing, which is going to sound super weird, I'm probably going to either cut this here at the bottom and put my boobies in there like that and use this for something to sweat in while I work out, or I might just cut it short here at the bottom and just use it for some shorts. Maybe that'll turn the mister on a little bit during bedtime, you know what I'm saying? And I think that's all of the actual, oh no, I have one more. No, I have one more. So this one is the one that actually zips. So it's the same as the other bands, but it just zips in the front. And this one is an extra large, I believe. Or does it have, yeah, this one is a large. So it's the same one, it just zips. And these large, actually this one that zips is a little bit more, I want to say snug. So I probably won't be able to wear this one just yet. Maybe when I fall down a few sizes. And that's the reason why I bought several of them, because they were on sale for $5. But I also had an additional amount off. It came to like $1.99 for each, or $2, I believe. Now, the rest of these items are kind of some accessories and also extra workout gear that I purchased. So this is something that I was excited about showing you guys. This is a skip rope, and it's actually a skip counter rope. So this has, and it's in Chinese, so I can't read it to you obviously, but it has the rope counter on it. I don't know if you can see that. The counter there. You reset it here. Did it reset? So it's probably not going to reset because I can't push it down that hard since it's in this packaging. But once I take it out, I'll show you guys another video. But it's a skip counter, so my goal is every night when I go to the gym, I'm going to try to get in at least 100 jumps. I'm going to start off really, really small because I don't want to overexert myself, and definitely don't want it to be where I'm starting something and I get so overwhelmed with it, I just kind of give up on it. I hate doing that. I'm usually the type of person that once I start something, I try to finish it. The next item is, this is actually another rope, but this is more of what they call skip ropes, and I'm probably going to use this one tonight. This skip rope, it's kind of heavy. I thought it was a little lighter than that, but basically, oh, it has weights in it. So it's like you're actually jumping ropes. I don't know if you guys can see that. But it has a little weight to it. So I can kind of see where that would give your arms like a good toning. So it's like you're jumping ropes, but you're actually just kind of like mimicking the flow of jumping ropes. And as you can see, it kind of have some, it does have the weight to it. Sounds kind of heavy, huh? Yeah. So looking forward to using that tonight, and probably gonna use one of those bands as well. So that is it of the exercise, and I have a lot of more exercise pieces coming because I want every day I want to incorporate something different and add different types of workout ideas to my workout plan so I can reach my goal. Now this actually came out of the packaging last night, but kind of just had it sitting in here. I thought this hat was super cute. It's a corduroy Los Angeles hat, a baseball cap, and of course it has the packaging and inside, which I like that Shein did this with this. But my next item that I'm going to show you, I was a little bit upset about the packaging with that, because what they did was, and this will actually go cute with my little New York shirt that I just bought a couple of hauls ago. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So, I decided to buy my first bag with Shein, which is super cute on the picture. But one thing I hated was the packaging. Like, they literally had it packed in there like this. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to try to get a blow up. It did have come with this and inside, but I'm going to try to get like one of those blow up bags and kind of like blow it and keep it in there so I can try to get the shape back in this bag. But I paid, I think this was like $10, and I thought this was super cute. But I'm gonna just tell you this, I'm really ecstatically happy about this haul. And the reason I said that is because the items that I purchased, it surpassed my expectation. When it came to this bag, even though I did not like the packaging in it, this bag is so heavy, I'm telling you, and it's so super cute. And I was actually thinking about purchasing another bag like this, same color, everything. But I was gonna do some type of, you know, crazy design, maybe do a DIY on it with something cute out here, maybe like fake Chanel or fake what is the other one that they have, fake, not Chanel, fake Gucci, because I thought this was super cute. And for $10, and it's thick, it's not like a light, like, you know what I'm trying to say, light material. It's really thick. So this bag is super cute, and Definitely going to be one that I use a lot once I can get the shape back in it. Get a bag to kind of like blow up in here and hold the shape for me, because it is cute. It's a cute bag. And I did purchase this bag, which when I saw it, I definitely had to have it. I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. This is my first time opening this. So this bag is basically a suede frilly. I call it suede frilly. And this will go super cute with some jeans, some heels. It's like a clutch. And it's definitely a showstopper. Definitely one of those bags where people will walk up to you and say, hey, where did you get that from? That's so cute. And it's my first time opening it. Of course, it has the Shein label in the inside. Now, one thing I do see that might get on my nerve with this bag is the fact that the frillies are on the flap. So one thing you got to realize is if you want to go in your bag, you're going to have to deal with the string. So you're probably going to have to be like me and kind of like give this little motion to it when you want to open the bag. So, but other than that, it's cute. I really, really like this. And this would go good with a cute little jumper, like a jeans jumper maybe. And some heels. I might try to, I don't know. We might try to do something with this weekend. I'll see. But that is definitely cute. And silly me bought this little microphone. I actually tested this last night. It's just a phone microphone. It's a microphone that you use with your cell phone. Nothing fancy smancy. I haven't gotten it to work yet. I hadn't played around with it yet enough, but I thought maybe once I start doing my little interviews for my podcast, I can use that. And actually, just put this back in here so I can not forget that I have it. Okay, and other two pieces I have, make sure I'm not throwing anything away, because I did that the last time with one of my hauls. I had some extra, I think it was like a necklace, and it was some makeup. Eyeshadow, I didn't even realize I had in the bag until after I had it in the trash. I was like, why is this so heavy? So I left it in there. So this is, I don't know if you guys saw my other haul, but I had one with the brown lipstick. This is a lipstick and liner duo. So as you can see, and this is actually super cute. This is my first time opening this as well. So it has the lipstick on the bottom and the liner here. So you could do the line here. If you guys can see that. And then you can do the lipstick here on the other side. And it kind of has the same, it looks like the lipstick is actually a little lighter than the liner. But both are definitely cute. So you don't have to, you can, for me, a lot of times I wear my liners for lipstick. So I wear my liner and then I'll have like, you know, just put, kind of like shave it up a little bit where it has like the little coloring, and then it kind of like falls out into the bottom of my lip to have it lined a little bit more, if that makes sense. So that's that for that. And last but not least, this is actually the first eyeliner, black eyeliner. This is a 2-in-1. It's a liquid eyeliner and it's also a remover, which I thought was super dope. Let me go ahead and open this, if I can get it open. I hate that. That's ghetto. Don't do it. Don't try this at home, folks. But let's see. There we go. They have a million things in here I can use to open stuff with. I don't know why my first thought was to use my pearly whites. But okay, so this is the liner here. It's a 2-in-1. What is this? It says makeup remover. Once you feel the makeup remover tip needs to be replaced, simply pull out the old eraser and insert replacement tip, leaving enough length to sufficiently perform. So what I'm assuming is, and I guess I assume correctly, this is the liner and this is the eraser. So let's see if it works. Let's test it. I'm just going to put a little bit right here just to kind of, you know what? I'm playing myself because I think the idea of this is to kind of like clean up the mess that you have. So we don't want to put so much on there. You see what I'm saying? And I'm actually wiping it more on my face. Okay, so I see this is, okay, so this has like some type of liquid that's coming out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of wipe this off so I don't look like a what am I trying to say, a raccoon. But yeah, so I see what the idea of that is, and that's cool. So that way, you know, I'm not really a liquid liner type of girl. I do use eyeliner, but I kind of like, when I use it, I don't use a whole bunch of it, but I will play with this and kind of do some makeup tricks with it and get that going. So yeah, that's pretty much all from this haul. I do know that this video ran a little bit over the time that I had expected. I tried to keep it at 20 minutes as much as possible, but I had some other things going on in the background. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. My next haul I do have coming, it's going to be more of a small haul because the dress size I stated did not fit, so I do have to order. My goal is to just order 2 more dresses, maybe 3, and be done with that, because I'm at the point now, if it fits, it fits. If it don't fit, then I have to go with plan C, and plan C is going to be to wear a dress that I know that fits. And I hate that, but when you order items from offline, me personally, I try to base my size and things that I want to purchase off of reviews. That's why I can't express enough how important it is, and I really need to get on that myself, is to do a review when you purchase purchase an item or such piece of clothes or whatever. And that's why I come and do these videos, and I hope you guys like these videos. If you do, go ahead and thumbs up this video. If you have any suggestions, go ahead and send it to me. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I post a new video. And again, if there's a haul that you want me to try, if it's a place that you want me to purchase something, go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll see what they have on their site and see if they offer any type of discounts for people who do hauls and influencers, etc. But yeah, until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. And thanks again. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.